Alright, here it goes. Take 5. This is going to be probably the greatest Scat Cat collection on the planet. This airplane was built production of 1990 to 1995, and I have 3 kits, 2 unmade and 1 made, and I'll show them to you. It's a pretty doggone rare kit. A whole lot of them made. What ones were made are probably smashed into trees or the ground by now. Plans alone are pretty doggone rare. Box here. It's called a Scat Cat Quickie 500. It was a pylon racer, and it was capable of during the pylons, if you ran a 40 tune pipe, you get around 160 miles an hour. I have taken it a little to the next level. I run an OS Max 46, which pushes me to around 200 miles an hour. Owned one in the 90s and ran it through the top of a pine tree at full speed. Disintegrated. Finally got me some more. And anyway, this is the plans to the one that I built. So I can see some stuff on there, but let me show you the one that I built. Feast your eyes. Got the carbon fiber monocoat on there. With a tuned pipe, you get another 10 miles an hour. And going downwind, the plane will probably push around 220. I know this one will do about 200 the way it says. Got 3 flights on it. See the bottom side. And I hope you enjoyed that. Y'all may never see another one again. Much less 3 kits altogether. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that.